If you're a business owner struggling with cash flow or profits, then stop scrolling. This is for you. Every month, you are losing money without realising it. If you don't fix things now, then you won't just magically improve them. That's why we created the 90-day financial turnaround plan. A step-by-step process to fix your cash flow, boost profits, and put you back in control. So here is what we do. AI-powered cost-saving analysis where we find where your money is leaking. A 3-month cash flow forecast so you know exactly what your future looks like. And then one-to-one strategy sessions to help guide you step by step, as well as a financial dashboard so you can track your progress in real time. We don't just tell you what to do, we actually do it with you. What's even better is this works alongside your existing accountant, so there is no need to fire them, unless you want to. So remember, if your numbers aren't clear, then neither is your future. Spots on this are really limited because we work really closely with every client. So click the link and get started on your 90-day financial turnaround and take back control of your business.